Good evening. My name is Stephen Bell. I discussed about the woman, the evil woman. And this is the second series of the evil woman. Don't you know that when God destroyed the earth with water, don't you know that God wanted to destroy it because the people wasn't right. God wanted to destroy it so he can make it right. It was in evil times. And God was going to destroy the earth and make a new one. That's why he gathered up all the animals by twos so he can populate the earth again. And the only thing went on the ark is the animals and the sons and the wives. Now, I forget what son it was, but there was a part of the evil tree, of the evil seed that went with it, that went with the ark. That's why we still have evil upon the earth. And a woman was married to one of the Noah's sons. She was part of that evil seed because she endured with a man that was evil, and the seed of the evil man, I forget what it was, of the evil man went into her. And she brought the seed into the ark when the woman came into the ark. And when the ark rested, that evil seed went and grew into the world that is today, evil and good. It started from the garden, it started in the ark, and through all that starting, it always was from the woman. And it's still of the evil woman. They had no idea she was with an evil seed. God knew it. Noah didn't know it. Our son. the devil had to do something to put his part in this so his seed can grow. That's why you have to take good careful of what goes on. Because that seed is out there. That evil, wicked seed that the woman created by the devil that put it there. I mean, it wasn't created. It was put there by the devil. And you all have to take the hold of Jesus Christ and protect ourselves. Because nowadays, that seed is growing. All because of a woman. Thank you.